Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video, we are going to implement a modal. So what a modal is, let me show you. So go to getbootstrap.com and click on this docs. Now here, let me search for the modal. Yeah, here. So the modal is something like this. So when you click on any link or a button, it will pop up a box, okay, in which you can type anything you want and just submit it. Okay, so we are going to do something like that. Okay, so first I'll just pick up a normal modal. Let me find that one. I guess this is that modal. Yeah, so I'll just copy this. Okay, then go to the home page and paste that one here. Okay, now here in the title we will write add new task. Okay, and all these things is good. Now yeah, in the here instead of id we need to write add task modal. Okay, then here everything is good. I just need to remove this one, also this. We don't need these two keywords, and here we need to write add a new task modal label. Okay, so I'll just copy this one, paste that over here. Now copy this, paste that over here also. Okay, follow all these changes very carefully. Okay, now once this is done, here we will implement all the fields which we need. Okay, so first we need to create a form. So I'll say form with a post method. Okay, for now we will leave the action blank, and inside this we will write div tag. Okay, and this div tag will have class mb3. We need to leave the bottom margin. Let's go to the getbootstrap.com again, and let me find the form. Yeah, over here. Let's go to control. Yeah, take this. Okay, come over here, paste that one, but I need to write task. Okay, now here underneath this text, label, we need to write, we need to add input field. Okay, but before that I'll just change this one to task name. Okay, and here let's go and grab the input field. So input field will be this one. Now here we will change the type to text. Okay, the id would be task name, and this would be form control, and I don't think so we need this one. Okay, we'll just remove that. Cool. Now once this is done, let us go ahead and link this modal. Okay, so here instead of this add task, I'll just mute this one as of now. We might need this in later videos. So here we just need to add the button. Okay, so here I'll say button. Okay, and inside this button I will have class btn hyphen secondary. Okay, and nav link. Okay, also I'll add data hyphen ts hyphen toggle, and here I'll say modal. Then here I can say data hyphen bs hyphen target equals to hashtag. Now we need to write this one, okay, the id. So copy that id, come over here and paste that one, and here I can say add task. That's it. So if I go to the website, refresh, click here, it is not toggling. Why? Oh, you need to write bs. Refresh, add task. Okay, so here you can see the input field. All right, now let's go over here in home page, and here we need to write save and close is good. Okay, now similarly we need to add the input field for the task node. So I'll just duplicate this one. Okay, here instead of name I'll say note. Here I'll say task node. Cool. And then this is going to be text area. And we don't need this name, and we need this id, so it is going to be task hyphen note. Okay, and class is going to be form control. Cool. So come over here, refresh, you can see the task note 2. Okay, so go to the VS Code again, then I'll duplicate this one and bring this down. Okay, yeah, and here I can write due date. Oops, due date, and here the type would be date. Here I'll change this to due hyphen date. Again, the id is going to be same as this one. Okay, yeah, this is it. So this should show us the due date field. If I click on this calendar, it should pop up the calendar. Okay, the years and all those things. Yeah, good. If I just click any year, yeah, it is working. Now we will also add the same thing for time. Okay, so here I will say due time. Okay, and here I'm just gonna say due time. Just copy this one again, paste that over here. Here it is going to be time. Rest all things is gonna be same, I guess. So let's go over here, save this, I mean refresh this, and if you click on this clock, you should be able to pick up the time. Okay, as you can see over here. Save. Cool. Then again I'll be having the div inside the form. Now this time we are going to create the drop down. So here I'll just change this to priority. Then the class name is going to be same, everything is going to be same. Here I will say priority. Cool. And here we need to just remove this label. We don't need to do anything over here. So I'll say select. Cool. And here I don't need to add the name for this field. I mean for this tag, the ID is going to be priority, same as this one. PRI. PRIORITY, priority. Cool. Now here class will be form control. Cool. And option is going to be 1. I'll just duplicate this one, 2 and 3. Okay, so first one is going to be low, second is going to be medium, and third one is going to be high. Okay, that's it. Come over here, refresh, click. You can see we can also select the priority. Yeah, and rest all things is gonna be same. So I hope you got the idea, right? So this is the model, and this model will be used to create task. Okay, so once we enter all the details and save the click on the save button, it should save the task in the database. So in next video we are going to see that how we can connect our database to PostgreSQL database. Okay, and then we will create a table to save all our tasks. So yeah, I will see you in next one. Thank you.